Finding stocks that have the potential to turn a small investment into a large fortune is the ultimate goal for many investors. We all dream of those success stories where the value of a stock skyrockets, delivering incredible returns over time. While these stories may seem rare and almost too good to be true, they do exist. Let's take a look at a couple of remarkable examples from the past. Avanti Feeds is a company that operates in the aquaculture business. Back in April 2010, their stock was priced at Rs1.6 per share. Fast forward 11 years, and the stock price had soared to Rs5.62. This astounding growth represents a staggering return of 35% or 19%. Imagine the possibilities if you had made an investment in Avanti Feeds during that time. Another impressive success story is Bajaj Finance. Known for its diversified lending portfolio, Bajaj Finance has consistently delivered impressive returns. In April 2010, their stock was priced at Rs33 per share. By the end of the 11-year period, the stock had reached an astonishing Rs7.508 per share. This incredible growth translates to a return of approximately 22,652%. Investing in Bajaj Finance back then could have truly transformed a small investment into a substantial fortune. These examples highlight the potential for long-term investments in high-quality stocks. It's crucial to understand, however, that such exceptional returns are not easy to come by. Achieving these results requires patience, thorough research, and a little bit of luck. If you are inspired by these success stories and are eager to invest in specific sectors or companies, it's important to approach the market with caution. Conduct thorough research, seek guidance from experienced professionals, and diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Remember, while the dream of turning a small investment into a massive fortune may seem enticing, it's crucial to approach the stock market with a realistic mindset. Investing involves a degree of risk, and it's essential to have seriously well-informed strategy in place. So whether you're an experienced investor or just starting your investment journey, keep in mind the potential that lies within the stock market. With careful and thoughtful decision-making, you too could find stocks that offer significant returns over the long term.